Well, hello. It's Jonathan again. Welcome to another video about the kitchen. Join me as I explore kitchen tools and expose the secrets top appliances hide from kitchen lovers. In this video, we'll explore the hidden capabilities of popular kitchen appliances you may not be aware of and how they can elevate your cooking experience. Many homeowners use their kitchen appliances for basic functions without realizing they have underutilized features that could save time and enhance flavor. From reheating coffee to blending smoothies, we often neglect the full potential of these devices. Let's face it, we've all been guilty of using our appliances solely for their most obvious purposes. For instance, who hasn't used their microwave solely for reheating leftovers or cooking frozen dinners? But what if I told you there's more to it than that? Hidden gems are waiting to be uncovered, and it's time to dive in and discover them. Take, for example, the humble blender. We all know it's great for making smoothies, but did you know it can also be used to make hot soups or frozen treats? The list continues, and thinking about all the new possibilities is exciting. It's time to break free from the standard uses and explore the uncharted territory of our kitchen appliances. By doing so, we can unlock new recipes, flavors, and cooking methods. We've become so accustomed to using our appliances in a certain way that we've forgotten to think creatively. But today, we will challenge that status quo and uncover the secrets our appliances have been hiding. We'll examine specific appliances like the microwave, blender, and pressure cooker, revealing tips and tricks to transform your cooking. These appliances are not just one-trick ponies, and it's time we recognized them. From defrosting to deglazing, we'll explore the lesser-known features of these devices and how they can elevate our cooking experience. One of the most surprising things I discovered was that my microwave can cook perfectly baked potatoes in just a few minutes. Who knew? It's all about understanding the power of these appliances and how they can be used innovatively. The same goes for the blender, which can make everything from mayonnaise to hummus. The pressure cooker is another appliance that's often misunderstood. It's not just for canning food or making stews, it can cook various dishes, from risotto to desserts. The possibilities are endless, and thinking about all the new recipes we can create is exciting. The most surprising feature is how your slow cooker can be a lifesaver for meal prep. It allows you to cook dishes overnight without any effort. Imagine coming home to a warm, home-cooked meal without lifting a finger. It's the ultimate convenience, and more people should take advantage of it. Utilizing our slow cookers in this way can save time, reduce stress, and even eat healthier. It's a game changer, and I wish I had discovered it sooner. The slow cooker is not just for stews and chili, it's a versatile appliance that can cook many dishes. The slow cooker is also great for cooking large quantities of food, making it perfect for meal prep. Imagine having a whole week's worth of lunches or dinners ready to go, all thanks to the power of your slow cooker. It's a powerful tool, and it's time we use it to its full potential. To sum up, unlocking the hidden functionalities of your kitchen appliances can greatly improve your cooking routine. It's all about thinking creatively and exploring new possibilities. If you found these insights helpful, check out my other videos and tell me what appliance secrets you've discovered in the comments.